Hello everyone, welcome to PandeyGuruji YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you the complete training material for the SQL. So, if you want to jump or career into the IT industry, are you a fresher or you working in non-technical field, and if you want to move into the IT industry, so SQL play an important role to crack any technical interview. Even if you work in the different domain, different profile, and if you want to switch the profile on one profile to another, like the if you want to switch on the data analytics or the business analyst or the data scientist or any of the profile, so SQL is play an important role to crack any interview, and each and every profile SQL is more frequently. So the SQL learning is a very important to crack any interview. So I designed the complete course which include the complete video training, that is the recorded, and I prepared for the topic wise explanation, so you can in the simple way, so you can understand each and every topic. And also after the learning I will provide the some type of the practice set, so you can judge, you can figure out how much knowledge we get. So I prepared for the practice set with the answer, so if you face any difficulty to solve the question, you can look up my answer so you can understand. So let me show you what I will provide into this training program. So this enrollment is only for the 499 rupees. Okay, so there is no too much charges. So let me show you what I covered into this training program. So I started from the beginner level, and I go from the beginner to the advanced level. So if you are the beginner, this is for good for you, and if you have this some moderate knowledge also, this course will very helpful to you to crack interview. So first module we have the basic of the database, SQL and the SQL languages like DDL command, DML command, TCL command, DQL command. What is the difference between the delete and truncate? I explain in very detail, and I have all the training material. Second module we have the temp table, we have the table variable, constraint, and third module we have the indexes, data query languages. I discuss in the detail aggregated function, group by clause, having clause. You can see here what topic we covered. We also covered is null, the alias, so what is the distinct, indexes, each and everything. And in the fourth module we cover built-in function, complete built-in function, that is the string function. We have the conversion function, date time function, how you can convert into date time format, and ranking function, window function, each and everything covered under module 4. And module 5 we have the join, subquery, set operator, and CTE. Okay, so basically we'll cover in detail. And sixth module we have the view, cursor, while loop, if and case statement. And the seventh module, which is the very important for the SQL, that is the store procedure, transaction management, exceptional handling. So store procedure I explain in the detail. I covered each and every scenario, how you can pre-validate the how can pre-validate the parameter, what is the input parameter, output parameter, how you can call the multiple store procedure. And we have the user defined function, trigger, dynamic SQL, and the last we have the performance tuning. So let me show you how this module I designed. So after the once you click on the enrollment, okay, so what you need to do, just you can visit the pandeyguruji.graphy.com. okay, so I will provide this link into the video description. And once you visit the pandeyguruji.graphy.com, if you scroll down here, you can find this download SQL training video material and important interview question with answer. You can see running 50% off and which is the 499 only. So once you click on here, and just you can click on the enrollment. So once your enrollment is completed by using the continue with the Google, you will be directed to like this. Okay, so like this window, and once you click on module, so once you click on module, you can find the all the module here, like basic of the database here. Okay, so you can see in the basic of the database, you can see this is the video which is uploaded. So just you need to click on the play video, so it will be got started. Now I am closing this video. Okay, but video is not downloadable, but you can watch many times. But other than video material, you can download each and everything. Like we have the introduction to SQL and database. I explain the SQL languages, DML, DQL, DCL in the detail. How you can set up the complete database for practices, that is also covered. And end of this module, you can find the some of the interview question like set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. If you click on the second module, the same thing whatever they explain, and here you can find the some interview question for the practices set 5, set 6. So if you go to the last module, okay, so you can see we have this set 31, set 32, 31 set I uploaded. And if after so after this learning, we also explain in the detail like the how you can increase the performance, how you can, what step you need. So this is all the PDF file. So you can download any of the PDF file, and like for example, if you want to download this PDF file, just you can view the PDF file and you can download it. Okay, so you can see here we can download option is coming. Same like interview question also, like for example, if you want to download the set 16, just you can click on the view PDF and just click on the download option, so it got downloaded. So anytime you can download all the training material and watch the video as many. So this training program is covered to complete the SQL, and if you completely learn the SQL on this training program on 499, you can crack any type of the interview related to SQL. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, if you want to join with me with the one-to-one training also, I'm also providing the one-to-one training. So here you can see, go here pandeyguruji.graphy.com, and just you can go and enroll complete SQL real-time lab training interview preparation. So it is 5K is the charge. So it's Saturday, Sunday I'm providing 2 to 4 p.m. and all the assignment as well. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt, I will put the all this into the video description. I will provide you, I will also provide the support number, so you can directly contact to me. Thank you so much.